Hi, KL7L here. Just doing a bit of work on my monitor sensors transverter. A great device, takes in 1.8 megahertz and converts it down to 472 to 479 transverter. An RF output around about 50 watts or so. It's a linear transverter as well, so you can use it on SSB at about 13.8 volts. Anyway, one of the things that people should be aware of that I tend to forget is the magnetic coupling that can happen from devices placed in the shack. There's something to be a bit wary of that I found this morning with this. The transverter sitting on top of this Optiplex PC, and I'm getting some interference. You hear some sweeping noise. Now, if I move it away from the computer, which is sitting next to it, it disappears. If I move the transverter up and down, a pretty good fun of sweet spot, so something in the middle there. So there is a magnetic coupling between the cases or devices within the laptop, between the PC and the devices inside the microwave modules transverter. Even though it's in a metal case, there is still some coupling. So something to be aware of when you're thinking about placement of devices next to each other. I've had this a couple of times where noises suddenly started appearing or burbling happened, and it was actually interaction between the devices. I think if you had this in a steel case or some other ferrous case, and this one was screened a bit better, that wouldn't be a problem. But these aren't magnetically screened from each other per se. So it's just something to think about. If you find that you've got noises, just try moving it away and then repositioning equipment. The screening of the coax, by the way, it isn't a problem with the screening of the coax between the transceiver and the transverter. We've tested all that, and it is actually direct coupling. Anyway, something to think about. 73 KL7L.